All right, that was my lean ground beef wrapped around my raw spaghetti noodles. All right, next we're gonna add our green bell pepper that we diced up. This is gonna be a super easy, delicious Italian dinner that anyone can make. Yum. Now I have some diced white onion, but if you don't like bell peppers or onion, you can leave them out. You can substitute it for whatever you like, but I love these flavors and they're just gonna cook right into our spaghetti. I'm gonna spread that out so that it can be easily distributed and every bite gets a little bit of onion. Now, of course, we need some minced garlic, and I have my little spoon here so that we can distribute it all over our dish. Now, I like making this on a weekday when I don't have a lot of time to cook and I can just throw something together. It is protein filled, it has those starches, it has your veggies, it has everything you need. And I added a lot of garlic because I like garlic. And we do need to season this, so I have my Italian perfect pinch, and we're gonna be generous with our seasoning because we want a lot of flavor for this quick dinner. And then I'm gonna add some red pepper crushed, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top, add a little bit of heat and tastiness. This is coming together just beautifully. And you can't do savory dishes without some black pepper, so we're gonna grate some fresh black pepper on top of this entire dish. And I do wanna emphasize, you need to use the lean ground beef for this. I used 1 pound of ground beef and 1 package of spaghetti. Beautiful. And we're coming in with the big boy marinara sauce. This is 32 ounces, the carbone. You can use whatever marinara you like. You could even do a homemade marinara, but I love this carbone one, especially because it comes in this big jar. I mean, that looks absolutely delicious. Now we are gonna add a little bit of water, just about 1 cup into our jar, super quick. All right, we can put our lid back on, give this a little shake. We need some water for that pasta anyways, so we're gonna pour that right in there and make sure our pasta gets fully covered. All right, last but certainly not least, we're gonna grab our foil and we're gonna cover our 9x13 in foil. This will ensure that our pasta gets cooked nicely and all that moisture stays in there. Our onions will get nice and sauteed, bell peppers a little soft, but this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 35 minutes. All right, it's been 35 minutes, but this is not done yet. We are gonna take off the foil. Ooh, look at all that steam in there. And then for this next step, we're gonna add our mozzarella cheese. You guys didn't really think I was gonna finish this dish without some cheese, did ya? And we're gonna add this whole bag of whole mozzarella. You can obviously grate your own, or you can use some Parmesan, the Italian blend, whatever cheese you like, just throw it on there. I know some people really like cheddar cheese with marinara. Personally, that's not my vibe, but like I said, you can do whatever cheese you like. Right in there, make sure it gets spread out. It's starting to melt already because it's so hot. And then breadcrumbs. We have the Italian style breadcrumbs and we're just gonna kind of sprinkle that right on top. Ooh, you could do panko, you could do regular breadcrumbs, you could do a little butter with your breadcrumbs, but I'm keeping it simple. No need to add some butter to this. All right, now this is gonna go back into the oven uncovered for 15 minutes. Oh my, that cheese and breadcrumbs cooked beautifully. All right, we're gonna quickly come in with our parsley. This is optional, but I just think it's gonna make it look 10 times better. I mean, look at that pop of green. You can't tell me that that doesn't look so good. All right, perfect. It is now time to give this a try. We have our bowl plate here and we're gonna dig in. We're gonna get some of that meat. Gonna cut our little piece out. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Quick, 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 that spaghetti cooked perfectly. Wow, I am impressed. Get some of that cheesy goodness on there. This is a monster serving, but I am monster hungry, so let's get into that meat. Oh, so steamy. Wow, that is so delicious. Oh my goodness, you guys have to try this.